In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Ford wheel spacers with Hub-Centric.
Ford wheel spacers are a common modification for car most lovers, looking to improve the performance and appearance of their Bronco Sport. The Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers can change the wheels offset and backspacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitted and safer. And the BONOSS Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Ford Bronco Sport Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. With the Ford Bronco Sport spacers fit on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fit on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS FT cooling for the Bronco Sport wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There's more notches that distribute on the corner of Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously nurture the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing Ford wheel spacers for your Bronco Sport, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.